Hey, today I'm diving into something we all deal with but rarely talk about, foot care. If your heels are crusty, musty, or straight up disrespectful, stick around because I'll be reviewing the BioMiracle Naturals Exfoliating Foot Peeling Spray. And we're going to talk all about how it works, why feet smell, and what dead skin is really doing to your vibe. Let's get into it. Let's talk feet real quick. Fun fact, but kind of gross. Your feet have 250,000 sweat glands. And what does sweat love? Bacteria. And what does bacteria love to do? Make your shoes smell like expired nacho cheese. That odor is called isovaleric acid, and it's the result of bacteria in your socks. And add a layer of dead skin on top of that, and whew, you got a science experiment going on there. Your feet have more sweat glands per square inch than any other part of your body. That moisture creates the perfect party spot for bacteria, especially when it gets trapped under dead skin cells or in socks and shoes. When that bacteria breaks down sweat, it produces a smell. Yep, that's the main culprit behind stinky feet. Dead skin is not crusty for just no reason. It traps bacteria, holds on to sweat, and low-key ruins your vibe. Exfoliating helps your feet breathe, keeps them clean, and makes sure that you're sandal season ready all year round. By exfoliating regularly, you're removing that layer and helping your skin breathe, which helps reduce odor. It smooths out rough patches and can even prevent things like athlete foot from happening because you're keeping your feet dry and clean. All right, let's talk about the star of the show before I get to show you and demonstrate how it works. This is the BioMiracle's Exfoliating Foot Peeling Spray. And you just spray it on dry feet, rub gently, and boom, dead skin starts rolling off like it got kicked out the nightclub. So let's give it a try and see how it works. It has natural ingredients like glycerin and fruit acids that help loosen dead skin cells. No harsh scrubs, no irritation, just soft, smooth results. Okay, now it's literally balling up and coming off. It's giving instant satisfaction. Now you saw what my results were like. My heels were noticeably smoother, and honestly it felt like a mini foot spa at home. So if you deal with foot odor, dryness, or just want a clean slate down there, this spray might be your new bestie. Would I recommend it? Absolutely, especially if your feet have been giving you dry desert energy. Now here's a tip. Moisturize right after and wear breathable socks unless you're trying to start that funk cycle all over again. And exfoliate every 1 to 2 weeks, depending on your skin type. If this helped you, made you laugh, or called you out a little, drop a comment, like it up, and let me know if you want more real reviews with a side of science. Until then, may your feet be fresh and your heels be soft.